The donated scrub suits were designed by a local Dayang Lailatul Zubaida. At the beginning, the scrub suits were only donated in a small amount. However, with increasing cases of COVID-19, this has encouraged Dayang Lailatul Zubaida to increase the number of scrubs suits donated to ease the duties of frontliners, an initiative that is well received by the public.
Initially, it was just something that I wanted to do myself. And so I looked at a very modest number of 100 scrubs initially. But then, as the numbers, numbers of COVID-19 infected patients began rising, I think it became very clear that the demands were going to be too much for our health system, and I thought, hey, they're going to need more of these scrubs. And the initial, when I started asking family and friends for it, the initial poster got viral, and so suddenly there was this outpour of people just wanting to help, and then it sort of exploded.
According to Dayang Lailatul Zubaida, her personal experience of watching the duties shouldered by doctors and nurses as they treat her daughter who has CHARGE syndrome encouraged her to repay the doctors and nurses.
So doctors and nurses have a very special place in my heart, and of course, Fatima, being a government-sponsored patient, she receives treatment in Singapore, and that is atas kurnia Bauduli Yang Maha Mulia and his government. And so I feel very, very indebted to the government and His Majesty for everything that they've done for Fatima. And so knowing that doctors and nurses are out there risking their lives for the country, to save us out here, it is important to me that someone looks out for them.
Like others, Dayang Lailatul Zubaida hope the society can step forward and make any forms of donation to ease the duties of frontliners. Members of the public are also urged to follow all instructions and advices issued by the government so that the COVID-19 outbreak can be curbed.